In this video I will show you how to download the game SCUM on PC. So what you need to do is go to Google, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we quickly need to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy it. We are going to download it on another website. Search for the game SCUM and select it. After that, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game at Steam is €44.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage, and here we will search for the same game, SCUM. Search for the game. After that, we will select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, if we scroll a little bit down, then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. So make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work, and then select the game. Now, once you have selected the game, then you will find out that this game is already available for just €8.33 compared to the Steam price of €44.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to activate this game in Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!